G'day, Joe here with Evolve Engineering, and just thought we'd run through one of our more popular machines that we've been running around today on the Murrumbidgee. This is the BLADERUNNER 4500 hydraulic. What we have here is a barrel that's 4.5 metres wide, so it's 4.5 metre swath. We've got the chevron blade pattern here, which is a diamond effect that rolls to the outside of the barrel, so it splits the pressure potential of this full machine. This 4.5 metre machine weighs 1.2 tonne, and you can add another 120 kilos of ballast per metre of machine, so you can get that out to about 1.7 tonne with a barrel full of water. What we have here is a 6mm bisalloy blade. We do a couple of versions of blade depending on your application. The blades are wrapped around the barrel in a helical pattern, and we also bolt the blades in with 5 bolts. And this is pretty important because if you do manage to warp or bend a blade, it's very, very easy to pull them off, straighten them out and put them back on, or they're very easy to replace out. It's been a very handy upgrade to our machinery that we've rolled across everything now. If we move up here, we can talk about our hydraulic legs and how they're set up. They're super easy. Single remote, and this just makes pack up and set up a little bit easier if you are predominantly pulling behind a tractor. The legs fold around, they're plugged into a remote, pull the lever and the legs fold up in the air. You flick a tab over and then they lock back down into position. This has been something that we've been working on for a while to make this just a little bit easier in our 4.5 metre machines for pack up and setup. Another question that I get quite frequently is, what's the maintenance on these machines? Well, it's very, very minimal. We keep it as simple as possible. There's 2 bearings at either end of the machine, which are serviceable daily or every 12 hours, just a couple of squirts with grease. Other than that, there's really not much else to do other than checking a few nuts every now and then. We've really worked hard to keep these things as simple as possible and pretty free and easy when it comes to maintenance.